Hello guys, welcome to Taco with Terry. In this episode, we're shaking it up a little. I'm going to show you well, it's not brand new, but it's brand new to me. My new 110cc quad bike. She goes alright, eh? Yeah, she's got a beautiful engine in her. She runs pretty good. She's got a little bumper bull bar on there. You got headlights. She's got 2 exhaust pipes. And here, I'm not allowed to turn it on though because Dad's asleep in bed and he'll flog me too. So yeah, it's got one of them. No clutch. That's a brake there, mate, eh? Now there's the key slot there. You got these ones. Yeah. And look at the suspension in the baby. Hang on. I need a rolling forward a bit. Not over my shoe, mate. Look at the suspension on it. Wait up. Yeah, no, that's not going to work for. I'll show you it like this. Look at it. So, the suspension, you guys alright? Yeah. Thank you for watching Taco with Terry. See you next pastime.